Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to unlock sages in Idle Cult Empire step by step so you don't get stuck wondering why they're still locked. So let's get started. First, you actually need to progress through the dungeon mode. This is behind the giant central monster. This is where the dungeon. Send your fighter in, defeat enemies, and push toward bosses. And make sure your fighter is geared with the best equipment you have. You have to sell unused gear for extra resources and use gems to upgrade health and damage. But as you can see, this will only be unlocked at chapter 6. By the way, the dungeon runs are a major source of the materials you'll need later for sages. Next up is resource gathering. Because sages are very resource heavy, you'll need meat from sacrificing disciples. This one. The web from upgraded and merged spiders, books and scrolls from research and higher tier materials like devil codes. These come from upgrading monsters, leveling spider nests, unlocking new zones, and completing tasks at the top of the screen and watching ads to speed things up. Next, let's talk about disciples. Well, disciples are actually essential. Recruit as many as possible because some can be initiated while others can be sacrificed to generate meat and bonuses. It might feel harsh, but sacrifices are a core mechanic here and absolutely required if you want to unlock sages efficiently. After that, you want to keep upgrading your essential monster and orbs. So let me go back to that. After Okay, there we go. So you want to get back here. Orbs will be unlocked together with the dungeon around chapter 6. The monster unlocks new zones and better resources as it levels up. Orbs improve loot quality in dungeon battles, which helps you get better gear and faster progression. You want to sell extra resources to upgrade your orbs whenever you can, and then make sure you're unlocking new zones. Sages are tired or tied rather to progression, and progression is tied to zones. New zones mean new resources and faster material generation, especially from spiders producing web. As you can see currently, I'm still in chapter 3 trying to unlock this idol. And finally, unlock the sages. Once you've gathered enough web, meat, books, and devil codes, you want to head to the sage recruitment area and spend those resources to unlock them. The stronger your monster dungeon progress, the faster this process becomes. Quick tips before you go: always prioritize spiders and monster upgrades, sacrifice disciples strategically, watch ads early for big boosts, and keep completing tasks and unlocking zones. That's how you unlock sages in Idle Cult Empire. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.